You don't need to break the bank to have a beautiful summer picnic. I'm going to show you some Dollar Tree finds to make your party extra fabulous this summer. When I was in my Dollar Tree just now, I was thinking to myself, I should have brought cash with me because it's so tempting to overspend on these fun items, especially if you're going to be having a summer party. There wasn't just holiday red, white, and blue stuff. There was summer stuff. There were strawberries and lemons and all kinds of fun stuff. I mean, we're breaking out of winter and into summer, and it's like we cannot wait to have a picnic. We cannot wait to have a summer party. There were so many things that I could have bought. I could have bought those yard signs, and I could have bought a lot more stuff. I was really good. I bought for a raffle basket that I need to put together for an organization that I'm donating. So I will show you what I bought. I'm super excited about it. I'm going to, of course, add to the basket to make it more high value. Probably throw in like a gift card or something. But I was in Dollar Tree and I was like, oh my gosh, if I was shopping for myself, I would have bought cash because it's very hard not to overspend on these fun, cute, wonderful items. And even the best of us get tempted and we want to just spend. Believe me, I had to put a few things back, and I even had something still in my hand that I had to give the cashier because I guess I was holding on to it. But let me show you what I got. I'm super excited. I hope you can see it in the car. This is a raffle basket that I put together. I'm always donating to organizations. I have a lot of friends in a lot of groups, and I try to help them when I can because they have helped me in the past. So, you know, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. We always help each other out. Good friends. This is all red. I was looking for a white or a blue basket, but this basket only came in red, and I love it. I think it fits good. So what I got, okay, red basket, everything kind of blends together, but I'm going to be adding more stuff. But what they had at my Dollar Tree were these adorable, stinking adorable. They had lemon too. I wanted the lemon so bad, but I was already going with a watermelon theme. So they had these cups, $1.50 each. So it was $3 for 2 of them. I don't know. Is that kind of expensive? They're little cups, but they're so adorable. All right. Oh, don't fall over. We've got our gnome here. He's stinking adorable. I've got, oh, I don't want this to fall over. You guys, a Snackle box. $6 for the Snackle box. I have bought a Snackle box before on Amazon. They are $10 to $20. This was $6. There was 2 left in my store. They were both red. I'm super excited about that. That's going in my basket here. And this came with 4 cups. It is a watermelon juice, spritzer, whatever you want to put in there. This was $5. This one was $5. I made sure he rang it up at 5 because there was other ones that were 6. This one I think had 1 less cup in it, so it was 5. And a basket. It is not the sturdiest of baskets, but it works for what I needed. I needed a low basket that wasn't real high, and it'll do. So that is my Dollar Tree adventure. I hope that you can find these items at your Dollar Tree. Bring cash with you. Have a budget. Have a plan. It's very tempting. I'm always tempted when I go into Dollar Tree, so I don't want you to be tempted. Have a game plan. If you're going in for a summer picnic, give yourself a budget and give yourself a limit. And I hope you guys have the best of summer picnics coming up soon. In a couple weeks will be Memorial Day weekend, so I hope the weather breaks and we're able to actually sit outside. Thank you so much for joining me this week, and I will see you all next week. If you got anything out of this video, please take a minute to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.